Okay, now let's go to Aquariuses. What are Aquariuses peoples? Anong highlight ng Aquariuses this 2025? Anong focus ng Aquariuses this 2025? Ooh. Inner child, feeling down, pessimism, negativity, depression, sadness, delays, carelessness, arrogance, cloudy setback. So, yan ang kailangan i-heal ng Aquariuses this 2025. And if ma-address ng Aquariuses ito, anong justice or anong reward? Anong magiging reward? Ayan. Kasi ang lumabas is reverse ng the sun. Meaning, syempre opposite ng happiness ay pagiging down, sad and all that. May mga setbacks, may mga delays. So, ang lumabas, kapag hinil mo, obviously, it is Knight of Swords. So, magkakaroon ng fast thinking. Pag na-unblock mo yung mga negative thoughts, okay, magiging action-oriented ka, magiging driven to succeed, defending beliefs. Kasi dito may may doubts ka eh. So, syempre pag may doubt ka, hindi ka makakastand sa mga beliefs mo, hindi mo madedefend, yun talagang gusto mong gawin. Truth-seeking and magiging ambitious ka. Okay? Minsan, it's all in the mind. Maganda yung sinadjust ni Tony Gonzaga na book na We Are the Placebo. So, sometimes, kung ano yung paniniwala natin or gusto natin paniwalaan, yun yung nagmamanifest. Kasi yun yung, dun tayo nakafocus, yun na yung nakikita natin. Nakakalimutan natin makita yung masasaya pang bagay. Again, we are not perfect. Walang completely healed na tao. Pero the more you look into the brighter side or like, kahit may chaos, hinahanap mo pa rin yung simple things and you're happy about it, mawawala yung doubt mo, yung pagiging down mo. Kahit magmukmok ka sa bahay ng 10 oras kang lonely, kapag may pumitik sa isip mo na, hindi, tatayo ako, lalabas ako, magpapaaraw ako, maglalakad ako, mag-exercise ako, I'll do something that will make me happy, mag-change yung energy mo. So, that's the only way. Kailangan maging aware ka at hatakin mo yung sarili mo kasi walang ibang gagawa nun sa'yo. Kahit pa 10 kaibigan mo mag-text sa'yo, kung hindi mo feel na tumayo or magpakasaya, walang makakapag-fix sa'yo, ikaw lang. Okay? So, any additional information? And this is the age of Aquarius, mga humanitarian. Kung yun ang goal ninyo, sino ang magsa-start nun? Kayo ang leader doon. So, syempre, you cannot pour from an empty cup. Mawawala yung motivation mo sa true purpose mo. So, maigi na you heal yourself, fill your own cup, and then lahat ng mag-overflow, that's what you're gonna give to others. Okay? Any additional? Stop being stingy though, pero save money. Four of Pentacles. Dahil humanitarian kayo, sabi ko nga, masyado kayong giving. You save money, secure something for yourself. At sabi ko nga, kung ano lang yung mag-overflow, yun lang ibibigay nyo. In all aspects of life to ha. Pwedeng love, pwedeng money, pwedeng kindness, okay? Hindi pwedeng kalahati ibibigay mo. Dapat kung ano lang yung nag-overflow, dapat buo ka muna. Dapat yung ibibigay mo, yung kaya mong mawala. Okay? Kung bumalik sa'yo, that's good, yung mga binigay mo. Pero kung hindi, secure yourself. That's not selfishness. Okay? Kasi lahat naman ng binibigay natin, babalik sa atin in different ways. Okay? Hindi lang sa way na ina-expect natin na bumalik siya, pero it will always come back. Okay? So I hope this helps Aquariuses. Thank you.